What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Roosevelt right here. But then yep, today's project we'll be working on a 2004 TSX. We're gonna be doing headers and an exhaust system, and we shall see how it sounds like. It's not too bad. We did slam it, but then we're gonna do the exhaust system with this bad boy. So that's what it has on right now. Some straight pipe, I believe. Some kind of straight pipe. Yep. Check it out. It's kind of ugly. Sounds kind of ugly, but then we're gonna change it up. Alright guys, time to unload. Got some parts. Let's do this. Yeah. Alright, check it out guys. Before I got a hole right there. But yeah, I'm gonna delete all this right here, all these bad boys, and we're gonna put this system on. And it is Jake right here. Alright guys, check it out, it's off already. So then now I just gotta pull off the headers, but then we'll pull off in a bit. It's still kind of hot, so it looks like whoever owned the car before, they just cut off the rear muffler and just put a pipe on it. But that's kind of ghetto, so putting in the new stuff right now. Headers, one piece, 42 to 1. So let's see how this turns out.
Looks good.
Alright guys, check it out. It's pretty clean. Looks a lot nicer than before. Now we just gotta put the headers on, then I can put the test pipe in. But then this thing is kind of hot, so slowly play with it. Alright guys, we got the headers out. Time to put the new one in. We're gonna run to the store, grab a new manifold gasket, because this kit did not come with a manifold gasket. But it's alright, we're right next to Napa. We're gonna go grab a exhaust manifold gasket. Alright guys, we got the headers on. Came across one issue only, because the test pipe to put the oxygen sensors on the test pipe, so I have to extend the front oxygen sensor wiring. So I already extended, and then we're running a cat delete bypass on the oxygen sensor, so no check engine light. If you guys don't have Flash Pro, then you're gonna need to run one adapter. But then it's pretty clean guys, pretty clean. Check it out guys. Comment below if you guys think it's clean or not. It's pretty good exhaust. Jay, how much was this exhaust? Like 900, huh?
Yeah, about 900.
$900. Pretty clean. Easy setup too. And then the headers is like another 500. So we did a Weapon R. It's a one piece. But it's pretty clean guys. Check it out guys, this thing sounds pretty clean. It's just those blue tips though. Alright guys, we are done. Check it out, it's pretty clean. That's a pretty clean exhaust system. But then comment below if you guys like it. If not, then let me know. See what you guys prefer. But then yep, see you guys next time. Alright guys, peace out.